back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a new Petunia Pickle Bottom bag that I'm so excited to have. They did send this bag to me, so total disclaimer, they sent it to me, and it's a neutral bag and it's so pretty. I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like and also pack it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Get your coffee or your water and let's get into it. All right, before we get into the details, I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of how beautiful this baby is. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty and it's so big. It's such a beautiful, like deep gray color. It is vegan leather. I just really wanted to show you guys what it looked like really quickly right next to me. And let me put it on. I'm not gonna stand up just for the sake of the video, but it's so pretty. So let's go ahead and pack this guy for you guys. So it does have a nice open pocket here in the front for quick access items, and it does have that print that's going to be within throughout the inside of the bag. It has a nice big pocket, and this pocket is actually insulated. And it's very easy to wipe. So if you need to throw diapers, wet clothes, or even snacks in here, you absolutely can. It does come with one cube, which I absolutely love that it does. And the cube actually has a little handle. I believe their district also comes with something like this. This is also that lined inside, so it's very easy to wipe. So then when you kind of turn it downwards, there is another sleeve in here, and it is a magnetic closure. Basically, it has a little mesh pocket right here, and then right here there is a felt line pocket, so you could throw in your sunglasses or anything like that into this pocket. Then it has a nice little Petunia Pickle Bottom. I never take off the plastic unless it accidentally comes off. Personal preference. And then it does have a nice little G-ring right here if you need to throw your keys or anything like that. Let's go ahead and slip over to the side of the bag. They do have really big side insulated pockets. You can fit different size water bottles in this. I can fit my 22-ounce water bottle. I can fit my daughter's 12 coldest water bottle, 22-ounce water bottle, and I can also fit my 32-ounce coldest water bottle, which is the biggest water bottle that I love to carry. It matches my daughter's little one, so I absolutely love that I can do that, and that is on both sides. Then we get back here of the bag, and if you travel and you work, if you travel for a living or you're just going to travel, it does have a nice suitcase sleeve here, so it can hold on to your suitcase. It does have two D-rings if you need to attach it to the stroller, and it has really nice padded straps, guys. I love their padded straps. They're very comfortable, and they're nice and adjustable. And you can also carry the bag with this guy up here. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the main compartment of the bag. All right, so it is a nice double pull zipper, and then when you open the bag, let's go ahead and tip it over. You can see that interior lining, which is the same as the packing cube. Now back here you can put your laptop. This is padded, so you can put your laptop back here, tablet, or anything like that. It does have two mesh pockets onto the sides of the bag. And then it does have two mesh pockets on this side. Let me see if I can show you better this way. Yes, two mesh pockets right here. And it does come with a changing pad. You guys know I only keep this in here just in case if I really need it. If not, I normally don't take this with me, but you can use it for so many different things. But that is the bag completely empty and a nice little walkthrough. So let's go ahead and get into filling it up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start out with this first pocket. So actually, in this pocket, I am going to go ahead and throw in this baggie that has Neosporin and bandages. This is just in case my daughter falls. I love having this front and center in case I do need it. Grab and go item. So in this big pocket, since it is that material that if it leaks, it doesn't really matter, I'm going to go ahead and put my handy dandy wipes. You guys know I love these. So I have antibacterial hand wipes for myself, my daughter, and Clorox wipes in case we need to wipe anything down. So that is going to go right in there. And then I am adding my daughter's little hand sanitizer right there in the corner. You guys can see I still have so much room if I needed to add anything else, but for right now, that is it for this pocket. All right, so in here, I am going to add my wallet. I'm gonna add that to the mesh pocket. Gonna go ahead and add my charger. And I'm actually going to go ahead and add my keys as well. You guys know this is actually also first aid for just in case, quick access on the go. So that, and then I'm also gonna add the hook to this area. You guys know I don't leave my house without these hooks. They just come so in handy, mainly if you're gonna be by yourself. Then you could go ahead and close that up, magnetic closure, fast and easy. Now, before we get into the bag, I'm gonna go ahead and add my babies to this little day ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my spray hand sanitizer, my Solar Buddy SPF for my munchkin, and me and my husband use it as well. Then my sheet soap that you guys know I absolutely love as well. So all three of those are gonna be hooked right there, fast access in case I do need it. All right, so right now I am going to quickly show you guys all the bottles fitting in there. So this is the 12-ounce water bottle. And this is a 22-ounce water bottle. And then this is the 32-ounce water bottle. I am so happy that I have one that fits that water bottle. Yeah, so I actually put that in last. They're actually both empty currently, so I need to fill those up. But let's go on with filling the bag. Let's go ahead and get inside of the bag. So you can see there's quite a bit of space in there. So the first thing I'm going to add is this guy. If you haven't seen my other videos, you don't know. But this is a Pixel from Petunia Pickle Bottom. This is their medium one, I believe, and their mini. So on this side, I actually have a change of clothes for my toddler socks. And in the bottom, I do have a wet bag. Then in here, I have Tylenol for my daughter. And also medicines for me and my husband. I also have her eczema cream and stuff like that. Anything that you will need for on the go, just in case. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in the bag nice and flat. You can even put it upwards if you truly wanted to. The next very important thing that I'm going to put in here is this wristlet, which is my wipey and diaper wristlet. I also have the diaper rash cream and the disposable mat that I prefer to use. And I'm going to go ahead and just put that right in there as well. Just like that. I know a lot of you guys have seen this again as well, but I'm going to go ahead and throw in my plates. I just refilled it. So honestly, the only thing I've been putting in here lately is her spoon, her fork, and 2 disposable placemats along with the stickers that come with it. My daughter loves stickers, so this makes it so much easier for her to be distracted. And like I've said before, I love these plates. They stick to the table and even to the little disposable placemats. So I love this. And this is just going to go actually on this side in the mesh pocket on the side for quick access. As you guys can see, I still have quite a lot of space. Now, one thing I do like traveling with whenever we go out is some entertainment for my daughter. So I'm actually going to use their cube for this portion. So this is a sticker book from Dollar Tree. My daughter loves stickers. I just said that. She also loves to color. So I got this also from Dollar Tree. You can also get this at Target at the dollar spot. And then I am going to go ahead and add a mess-free, a new one actually, activity pad, and it has 3 markers. You guys know if you've seen many of my videos, I absolutely love this thing, and so does my baby. And then I'm going to add some crayons for her to color in the other book. So that is what I'm going to give her for entertainment today. And it all fits nice and perfect in here, and if she wanted to, she can walk around with this. And that is going to go right here. So honestly, if I wanted to, I can put this one facing up, but I am going to add one more thing in here right now. So this is the Cooler Pixel, again from Petunia Pickle Bottom. I do have a snack size bento box that fits in there perfectly, and some Ritz. This is just in case she gets a little hungry while we are out. I have some snacks for her, and that is just going to go right in there as well. As you guys can tell, I still have so much room if I needed to add anything else, but that is all I am adding right now. Let's go ahead and close this up. I'm gonna go ahead and add the water bottles. Again, this is my 32-ounce one. It is empty at the moment, but they fit perfectly when it's not. And then this one does have the meal plate inside, so it might give me a little bit of a push. Oh, not really. Well, I lied. Thought it was gonna give me more of a push, but it didn't. But that is it. That is my new beautiful Petunia Pickle Bottom bag. And thank you, Petunia Pickle Bottom, for sending this bag over to me so I can try it out and show you guys how to pack it. I really wanted to know what the size comparison to the sink was to my ace and my method. So I went ahead and did a size comparison for you guys. And then I also showed you guys the aces and the pivot. I hope this helps. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I do have a affiliate link down below with Petunia Pickle Bottom, so I'll be beyond grateful if you guys do use it. That actually helps me be able to get more things for the channel and more things to share with you guys. So I really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, I do have a playlist and you can always ask me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.